I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio and I'm here with the iClever versus the Philips children's headphones. And these are both pretty cool headsets. They both have safe listening volume levels at 85 dB, so that's no problem. This can turn up a little bit louder. Of course, you don't have to use that. So this is the bit more safer one. This also is for a little bit smaller children. You can use this from ages 3 up to about, I think, 6 or 7. As you can see, it's a little bit smaller for the head here, but you can also extend this quite a bit. And this one is a little bit more heavy. It also extends, and it's more for like 5 to 10-year-olds. Of course, this is a very different design with the cute cat ears here. And you also get some stickers to personalize it. So this is more geared towards like a fun, personalized experience. And this is more just a robust, sturdy kids headphones that is just really safe and will last a long time. Now the lights on these can turn off as well. They're just basic lights here on the side. And this one glows all the way from the cat ears to the side lights here. And you can't turn off the lights on these, so that's a difference as well. But both you can use with a cable as well as with Bluetooth, and they're both really easy to pair and have similar sound quality. Now let's take a look at each of these in more detail. Let's get this out of the bag. This thing is really sturdy and it's a little bit larger, so this fits the heads of young children very well. This fits children aged 5 to about 10 best, and you can also fold this back in. So you can easily put this in your bag and take this with you. So that's also pretty nice. And the cool thing here is you have these stickers so you can personalize it and make it a little fun. And of course the cool ears here when you turn it on. So it comes charged, that's pretty cool. And these ears, they start giving some light, which is also handy. And it's very easy to pair this with your mobile phone. When you turn on the Bluetooth, it immediately detects here that you can pair this, and you can immediately start listening to music. Now I like the fact that this one has safe volume listening levels of 85 dB, which is a safe volume for kids, because if you listen to higher volume levels for a long time, your hearing can get impaired. So it's great to have these safe headphones right here, which is pretty cool. Now you can listen to it via Bluetooth, so that's pretty handy, but you also get a cable with this. So you can also plug this right into the headset here and plug this into your device, which is also pretty handy. And this way the battery will last a lot longer, so that's pretty cool. And you can also use this on devices that don't use Bluetooth, like some older devices or iPods or anything. So it's nice to have that option. We use the Bluetooth function the most though. So all in all, this is a very sturdy headset, and it comes in some great colors. And I really recommend this for, well, any kid who loves cats or loves to personalize their headphones and have a cute little set that's safe for their ears. These are some really cool headphones for kids. Now they have a 85 decibel limit for safer hearing, which makes them really safe for kids and any ears for that matter. And the fact that you can personalize these with different colors is also really cool. You can change this, turn it off, or turn it another color like green. Now you can easily charge these with the supplied USB cable in any USB charger, and they have 28 hours of playtime. So that's really long and perfect for any car trip or airplane trip that you want to take. So you can take these on holiday as well. You can very easily fold these, put them in your bag and take them with you anywhere. And the cool thing here is that you can use these with Bluetooth with your device, so you don't have any cables, but you can also use them with a cable connection if you'd like. So this duality makes them really versatile. Now they fit children's ears from around 3 years of age, and they grow with your child because you can extend these and make them a little bit longer. I've used them with my 5-year-old child and they fit him perfectly, but you also can put these on yourself. They look a little bit weird when you do, but they fit your ears without any problem. So it's very easy to pair them. My device recognizes them instantly, and you can start listening to your music or watch YouTube and not disturb anyone with any loud music. So they're really robust. Philips is a great brand, so I really recommend these ones for anyone looking for a good brand named headset for kids.